Hello guys, you are welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Google AdSense account for YouTube. So before I take you through the process, which is very simple, let me show you some few things you need to know about Google AdSense. Now the first thing you need to know is that it is free to join Google AdSense. You don't need to pay a dime or pay any fee before you join. The requirement for Google AdSense is very easy, which means you can start making money from your YouTube account or your website or your blogs and even your videos. And by far, AdSense makes everything simple. And one thing is that it is very easy to use in your website like blogger.com or YouTube contents. And when it comes to YouTube itself, AdSense, you will need a requirement of 1k subscribers, which is 1000 subscribers, and a watch time of 4000 hours. So here are the requirements. You need to have a Google account. Then after that, you need to have your own content. Your own content, it being a video or it being a script, as in a blog or anything. So that's the requirement for Google AdSense. Now let's get into it and let me show you exactly how you can create Google AdSense. And if today happens to be your first time hearing me, my name is HY and you know exactly how you do it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. Now open your browser and type in adsense.com. You can also do this on a mobile phone. After it is opening like this, you click on the sign in if you already have the account. If you don't have the account, you click on the get started button. Now it will prompt you to choose your account which you'll be using for the AdSense. Now you select your Google account, you confirm by typing your password. After you are done, you click on next. Here you scroll down, select not now. So you'll be greeted with this prompt, and at this place, if you are creating the AdSense account for your website or blog, you copy the URL of the website and paste it here. And in case you are using it for a YouTube account, you also copy the URL of the YouTube channel and paste it there. To do that, open your YouTube channel and click on your profile icon. Then view your channel. Then copy from the URL of this page. So we just select the URL of the page, then copy and paste it. So after you are done pasting, in case you don't have a website, you can just tick I don't have a website yet, then move on. And to get more out of AdSense, it depends whether you want to get more of AdSense or not. So you can select yes or no from the down checkbox. Then after that, you select your country or territory. Alright, so after you are done, scroll down, then accept the agreement. Then after that, you click on start using AdSense. Alright, now if you see this page, then it means that your AdSense account is ready. So the next thing you'll do here, in case you are linking it to your YouTube account, move to YouTube and move to YouTube Studio. You will do that by clicking on YouTube and selecting your profile, then selecting YouTube Studio. Now after the YouTube Studio is opened, you will navigate to End. Now click on the End button from the down left corner. Now scroll down to see whether you qualify to apply for the YouTube partnership or not. So in case you don't qualify for the YouTube partnership group program, don't worry, YouTube will email you whenever you are qualified. So in the meantime, you need to make sure that your account is verified. To do this, go to settings and select your channel. Then move to feature eligibility. Then you will see this, the standard features and the intermediate features. So click on the drop down you'll see requirement. So make sure you verified your phone number there and with the standard features. So make sure your phone number is verified. From here, it means anytime you reach the requirement for the YouTube program, which is the 4,000 watch hours and the 1K subscribers, YouTube will email you and inform you. But for now, the AdSense account is ready and you can use it on your blogs in case you have a blog or website. So in case you found this information very helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.